An employee-owned device initiative, often called a Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD, is becoming more popular in companies as a way to reduce cost and increase productivity. In a BYOD program, employees use their own smartphones, laptops, or other devices for work purposes. This can be a great benefit for companies as it can reduce cost and increase productivity. There are many benefits of a BYOD program for companies. First, it can reduce cost by eliminating the need to provide devices for employees. Second, it can increase productivity by allowing employees to use their own devices, which they are likely already familiar with. Finally, it can create a more flexible work environment as employees are not tied to a specific device or location. There are a few things to keep in mind when implementing a BYOD program in your company. You will need to develop policies and procedures around data security and device management. Also, you will need to provide training for employees on how to use their devices for work purposes. Don't forget to monitor the usage of devices to ensure that they are being used appropriately. Overall, a BYOD program can be a great way to reduce cost and increase productivity in your company. If you are considering implementing a BYOD program, keep these tips in mind to ensure a successful implementation. That's it for this segment. As always, if you liked what I had to say, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know. Thank you.